bacon. Hope we don't get copyright because of the music, y'all. But some
got all kinds of stuff. Full legs. It's a video. We showing the. Yeah, if you're doing like a catering event or you're doing like a barbecue or cookout, you gotta feed like the whole family. Y'all come down here, right? Get it all. Got all that. The sausages, all that. Got the bags of shrimp. You didn't like it? Oh, okay. Mom said she didn't like that. Things of that nature. Got your veggies, onion rings, frozen veggies. Got the good old okra for okra and tomatoes, mixed vegetables, lime, and they individually bagged so you can